If you're a beginner and you're finding it difficult to play praise on your bass guitar, especially you struggling using your fingers, you just don't know the right note to play using your fingers. In this video, I'll be giving you 3 fingering exercises that will help you enhance you playing your praise very well and stable, okay? If you're also new to the YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you see the link that will just put over here, or you see the link in the comment section below or in the description. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp, okay? So guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So we'll be looking at this progression. That is your 1, your 4, your 3, your 6, your 2, your 5, your 1. Okay, that is okay. And note that we will be doing the fingering exercise and we'll be playing it on the second shape, okay, on A major, okay. You understand, okay? So I want you to watch the video to the end and understand how to use this so that you don't find it difficult in using this maybe when it comes to praise, okay? And this also helps a lot. You might be playing praise without even looking at your strings and you just know the right note you are just playing, okay? You understand? Okay, instead of you looking at it, you have already mastered the notes using your fingers, okay? So let me show you the first step, the second step, and the last step, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, if you notice what I just did, I was just playing a simple 1-1 note bass line, okay? And it's also making sense, okay? But you are here to focus on the exercise too. So if you watch me closely, I was just playing without even looking at my strings or the bass guitar, okay? Because I know what I was playing and it's easy. Let me show you. You see that these 4 fingers has numbers. The first one, the second one, and the third one, and also the last one, the 4th one, okay? So on your second shape, your root notes, it is the second finger that is supposed to play your do. That is your 1. Okay, so we have do, and the first finger is to play your 3. Okay, I want you to write this down too. So do mi. So now your second finger is to play your 4. So then we have to play your 2. That is your re. So now your 4th finger is playing the re. Okay, so as you can see, we are using just first finger, second finger, and the 4th finger. Okay, so okay, I hope you are getting that. So okay, so that is 1, 3, 4, 2, 3. Then we are going to the 5, 6. Okay, so the 5, 6, this is your 4th finger plays your 5 and your first finger plays your 6. I hope you got that. So now I am mentioning the number fingers. Okay, so we have 2, 1, 2, 4, 1, 4, 1. Okay, do mi fa re mi so la. 1, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay, so now to your da da, that is 1, 2. The same second finger plays your 1 and your 4th finger plays your 2. Okay, so 5, 6, 1, 2. The same finger plays your 4. Okay, so then you play do so, that is 1, 5, 1, 5, 1. Okay, you see the stableness. You just have to focus on what you're doing. Okay, that same second finger plays your so on your lower bass. So dun, 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 dun. Okay, so after this, please try and practice them in all your keys, okay? Whether in G, whether in C, E flat, any key, just try and practice them, okay? So now to the second one, we will be adding few notes to it to make it more sweet. Okay, so it goes like this with a metronome. 1, 2, 3, go. Last one. I hope you saw that. Okay, so in this second one, I added few things to it. Okay, but I am still focused playing the notes using my fingers. Okay, so it goes like this. Now you're going to your 4. I did a passing note. Dun, 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 dun. If you don't know what a passing note is, click on this video to go check that video out. Okay, so you see how I am climbing using my fingers. I don't have to struggle. You understand? Because I've already sustained them to the note, so the fingers know where to play each note. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your second finger again plays your 1, your 2, that is your fourth finger, your 3, your first finger, and your 4, your second finger. Okay, so now back to your don 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 don, the same 2, 3. So your fourth finger and your first finger. Okay, then you now place 5, 6, the same fourth finger and your first finger. Okay, so the 2, 3 and the 5, 6 are the same pattern. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so you need to memorize them too. Okay, then we have your 1, 2, that is your second finger and your fourth finger. Then I played something like this. So your first finger is playing your 3, your second finger is playing your 4, your first finger is playing your 6, and your fourth finger is playing your 5. Back to your 1. Okay, using your second finger. Okay, so okay, so you've seen that we are just using this first, second, and fourth finger on this exercise. So the third exercise, we will be bringing this so that anytime you are playing the praise, it will be easy for you to even use this, because mostly beginners don't use the third finger. They find it difficult. Even when I was a beginner, when I tried using this finger, I find it difficult using it. Okay, so I'll show you the third exercise, then you can start using all of the fingers very easy. Okay, so it goes like this. So now you see how the third one goes. A little bit more tougher than the second one and the first one. Okay, but I'll make it easy for you. So now the third one, I was using the whole fingers. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and I was playing it so steady. Okay, so it goes like this. You understand? So 1, 5, 4, 3, 4. Okay, just like, you understand? Okay, but I've changed this. So pam 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 pam. You can also use these lines in praise. If you're 1 to your 4, you can use dun, 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 dun. Okay, so now to your 3. You understand? So 1, 5, 4, 3, 4. Then you play 2, 4, 3. Okay, so your fingers are 2, 4, 2, 1 2 4 2 1. Okay, then I played something like this. So now my third finger is now playing a note. Okay, simple and easy. So okay, so you just need to take time and learn that part if you are finding it difficult to play or using the finger. Okay, so that is sotila, that is 576 576 576. Okay, okay, so now your third finger is playing your 7 and your first finger is playing your 6. So I played something like this. So now your second finger is playing your 1, your third finger is playing your 1 sharp and your 2. Okay, the third finger is playing your 7 and your 1 sharp. You understand? So okay, and also 3 4 4 sharp, it's also playing your 4 sharp, then your 5. Okay, so stabilize it very, very well. Don't rush. So da 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 da, you won't stop. Da 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 da. Okay, from your 3 here to your 5, you are using the chromatic scale. Okay, if you haven't learned that, you understand. Okay, so practice the first one, the second one, and the third one, and see the changes that will come in your fingers. Okay, and also make sure that you apply them to all the keys. Something like C. Let's use the third one. You can also apply it even using this area. Okay, so guys, this is going to help you a lot. Yeah, it's going to help you a lot. You just need to master them. When you master them, let this be your morning exercise. Okay, anytime you want to take your bass or practice, just use them so that just warm your fingers up. Okay, before you can do anything you want to do on your bass. Okay, so guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.